Welcome back on our video Blumi PNG mischiefs. This video I'm gonna show you solo how you can order some products lo China come to PNG. So must you la order. Osem you let's lo buy lo kong store number okay you can order you lo China. I look at plenty all get a product kind product. You look at sample example let me show you drone whatever. So you look at this drone 10 kina 46 one piece. So if you order this number can look kind of minimum order rate. So one piece 69 10 kina 46 to 69 to yeah. So maximum order I'm assuming looking there one piece minimum order one piece. So you can order a one blood drone solo 69 kina plus freight maybe 100 plus na one blood drone finish. So if you know how to order this kind you can order blue yet lo using personal use or you la sales can lemo likes blue. So bila so you how to put place your order blue online. So if you interested in this watch this video going up finish blue na ba me give one tip where you use him how to order successfully.
Boda is passing you long me, over me, come na finding you. Belong PNG, you know West Papua. Tok-Pisin, me no na paburusim you. Yami sabe, you sabe.
First something ba mi show you how to sign up. Second one ba mi show you how to find products. Do you ordering right products? Third one ba mi show you how to find forwarder or broker blue or China. Now number 4 time bami show you how to make payments. Now number 5 last and bami show you how to put the address address lo forwarder salim package blue on them products blue come. So you may go inside na bami show you how to sign up past them. So we put the link no this la website inside lo video description. Go down tablo na ba you suppose you sign up okay go click this link tablo or you can just type in alibaba.com. So you type in alibaba.com finish bakari you can this la page. So once you learn this page you can layer click it join free. Okay bakari you can layer just translate it go lo English na put him Papua New Guinea layer country. Okay, put the Papua New Guinea. Come down there, put the buyer. Okay, you can put the email address blue layer, create the password blue, same confirm your password blue. Okay, come down there, company name and you can put the name blue yet, so put the name blue yet go there. Put the name blue layer, okay, full name, then last name blue, okay, country code 675, yeah, country telephone number 675, okay. Area code one province you start you get area code you can search online example Rabaul area code Rabaul this like 611 or you start most be finding code blue love. Okay after that put the telephone number blue bien slide this like right now you click this la agreement there. Okay then you sign up that's all. Click sign up ini so basalim verification code kalo email blue or phone number blue. You enter the code finish now, you just gonna go on a sign in so sign in lo Alibaba na bakari you can load this la page yeah. So me sign in finish so ba me sign up finish so ba me login so how to sign up easy. Okay, how to sign up. So next one about this la Alibaba I've got all phone app blame to suppose you know a laptop okay you can go download him application install or Play Store Google Play Store so you can go download him install him same sign up easy. So how to sign up lo Alibaba. Before we continue going inside this video blame suppose you know subscribe it lo channel blue okay consider subscribing. Suppose you like this kind of content where how to buy something online or how to make money online some personal vlog gonna go click this la red plus subscribe button and link ring this liklik bell rel so okay that time me upload by you notification first man no watch. Okay, so after you sign up finish now I'm so how lo when I'm buying products you are right products lo choose lo cause why me talk awesome because plenty people this a product all non up shipping kalo PNG you need him forwarder. So next time I'm say how to buy any forwarder lo this time you can choose him any product you like choose him lo buy them you can choose anyone lo any manufacturer or other lo but suppose you had to find him forwarder or broker blue or salikam, okay. You can find him all right products and now mila so you how to find him right product. So you come all category blue product there to see whatever kind product you'll buy him them or order. Okay, for example, we go load vehicle accessories. Okay, so you come buy any products blue there. Okay, you to see accessory vehicle accessory blue there. Example, by me to see this onime steer blockare. Okay, you can to see product view. Okay, I'm to see. Okay, I'm going to battery. Okay, let me try steer blocker style. Okay, you come here, you call product you like him leme, you come. Okay, behind you come like contact him supplier blue here. You come contact the supplier blue. You go inside car fitment. Okay, filling all the necessary information. Do you get something stuff? You go to all type in on something you need. You want car or one model block car or you go type in filling all the information. Go inside. Behind. You come no this la detailed requirements. You ask him if M can ship him come to PNG. So M1 something good plan this la website so you can contact him. When manufacturer blue you order leme, you can contact him straight now. But you ask him if M can ship him come to PNG. If M can ship him, okay, you gonna go make a payment blue. Be number ship him can by Salim. Tracking number blue come so by keep track law all products blue so quantity you can put how much you like in them I'm how to choose him right product so you must contact the supplier post them if I can ship him call PNG if no got them you need a broker or forwarder so I'm next step I'm talk them how to find a forwarder so I'm how to find him product blue so you must contact him when manufacturer blue post them. You go any product you buy me okay. Example, second example, this la GoPro. Come go click this la GoPro. Then you come check the price or get something maximum na minimum order blue you not order him le example this la you can order him 20 to 99 pieces and 570 kina. So you try to him. You order 20 or 99 pieces na you salim street kana you 570 you divide him or 580 or you divide him by 20 or 99 how much makes him. You have to put a profit in your sales. Suppose you sales. So GoPro okay you come gonna go contact the supplier. Manufacturer so contact supplier melokona comes on you can click this la contact supplier or call us so you can ask him la talk him or you can negotiate price to want them you must ask him if M can ship him call PNG if M can ship him okay put the order blue okay I'm not this la how to buy him right product blue lo buy him no good order na something no come lo way blame house so na M1 best something na narpa something must look must look low one all manufacturer I got rating all stuff must find him all this now we all sally something plenty time pinise number stop load this last side this la MMOSM this la manufacturer am trusted by Alibaba. If I'm calling you money blue, Alibaba, you put a complaint Alibaba, refund the money blue, and I'll basati this la money down low. Sales, okay, sales, manufacturer, but no stop making sales again. So this la mo verified supplier, verified supplier. So you must look to load something na put the OW. So I'm about buying product doing a right product look buy na safely. So after you contact him on a manufacturer or supplier blue finish, contact him. Na suppose him can ship come to PNG. Okay, you buy him straight. You go to payment. Na payment na affiliate address. Blue na put your order. Blue na basali kam. But if I'm not able to ship him come to PNG, okay, you gonna buy go find him forwarder now. I'm gonna install logistics or when him freight or ba peki cargo blue na sali kame. So I mean see you go to kontalo disla search here. Go type himself forwarder to Papua New Guinea man. Type him this line and search to search him now. Remember give you all get a list there. List lo or company where all ba also forward him cargo product come lo PNG. So I'm this line list lo all get a company where all ba ship him come. I'm look at this line DHL. I'm not DHL but I'm a company where I'm sell through DHL or Express. So I mean, find him one blah forward house, Bien you put him so all get the information, blow cargo, blue less up details, blue supplier, blue the manufacturer, biaxial product, blue leme. You put the all get that look on left hand side, they put the lap, bien you search. Bien you come no this level freight, logistics, you come, you contact the all. Now you ask him all address blow. Okay, after you see address blow logistics company, you go back and lo on a supplier blue, you go give him all address blow logistics, you give him lo supplier, by supplier sell him product blue go this la forwarder or logistics company. So all basalim all supplier basalim cargo blue go lo logistics na logistics basali kalo you how no contact him supplier na logistics company. So I'm how no contact you also. I see you go I look at this lab back I am last month or one time me contact him look see something na me and talk okay I'm basali kam this la money Kevin saying. So I'm all basali straight Kalupian this. So I'm how you can put him order blue good na safe. I'm about you tracking number so I see you one a day cargo you come up we go pick him. So I'm how low piney forwarder blue na Chicago blue. Okay, now we go to payments. Payments, let me see. You go to na Apple payments and stop all bag you all options blue pay or say pay the Western Union or online Visa debit card or PayPal. So PayPal you know plenty too much. Western Union Visa debit you can pay online. So I'm safe, trusted. You can no man bagyam man you learn a still money blue. And business blue learn gaman you Alibaba was secure refund the coins blue. So let me see look put the order there. So guys liklik something mila tok lem sol now so pasipatin tilo make street sales na less lo buy lo China PNG Chinese number blue me okay. Put the order direct kalo as plus blow straight. So say like it's a video okay, put it on the like go down la pen. So it looks like some comment to okay, can we get look at the next one.